Hi, my name is Jean-Luc Fontaine. I am a concept artist at Burrito Studio, a video game company based in Montreal. And today I'm gonna show you a bit of my workflow using particle system in Toon Boom Harmony 12. So let's get into it. Here I have a scene of Harmony open with an illustration that I made a while ago. And I figured out that it would be interesting to add rain falling from the sky as well as raindrop of water on the ocean just to put a bit more life into the picture. And for that, I'm going to use the particle system in Toon Boom Harmony. So just for you can follow a bit, I'm going to show you the end result. Here we go. So that's the end result that I want to achieve. You can see right now I have quite a thick layer of rain in the sky, um, some behind the clouds, some more in front, and I have also droplet of water on the ocean just to give a bit of movement and life in the picture. And all that is made with particle in Toon Boom Harmony. So let's get into it. First of all, in order to understand a bit like my thought process, now I build a scene in Toon Boom, I need to show you what the scene looks like in perspective. To open the perspective view, just go into Window, Perspective, and you're gonna have the perspective window open. If you want to navigate in the perspective window, just press space here. You can also rotate by clicking Control and Alt and click here, or zoom in by pressing Control space or Control Alt space. That way, by separating the image into two layers that we can see, like the sky, the ocean, and the ship, I'm able to use particle in 3D space beyond, in front and behind each of those layers in order to create a bit more depth in my particle system. So let's back into camera view, and let's tackle the other big window that I use when working with particle, which is the node view. That we can see here. I think the node view is only available into the premium version, so for the one who doesn't have the premium version, particle system I don't think is available. But anyway, let's jump into it. For one who never used particle, the node view, sorry, it's a bit like the bones of your project. Each node represent an asset or an effect in the scene, and they all like follow link here to end up in a composite that will build all the scene to a single image and into a video format. You can see right now that on a layer I have my background. I can press D to disable it or A to enable it. Same thing with the water or the ship or the particle system that are here. So you can see if I enable it, you can see that there's particle system here for the raindrop and for some for the rain. Disable, yeah. And in order to use the node view, you need to have the node library just over there. Same thing, you can go into Window, Node Library, and open your node library here. The node library is a database of all the node available in Toon Boom Harmony. There's tons of node that can do tons of effects, but I'll mostly focus on the particle node here, and most especially into the basic particle system just over here, and the basic gravity particle system over here. Those are pre-made node network that I use quite often in order to build more complex particle system. So I'll jump into it into the next video.